going on, my man? Not much. Take your hands out of your pockets for me. What are we doing in this car?
I ain't gonna lie. My friend came.
Can you take your hands out of your pockets for me?
I'm sorry, sir.
Okay.
Can you get my shoe though? Keep it honey. My shoe is in the car, but I wasn't in the car driving nothing. I swear to God, I was just getting my shoe, sir.
Okay. Who was?
Keep it honey. Swear to God, on my life, you ran that way, sir. I'm not gonna lie to you.
So wasn't you and your buddies ever just
No, sir. I promise
literally
you.
in the car?
I promise you, sir. Can you please get my shoe, please? Can I have it? Can I get it? Or can you take me over there?
Let me get your information first. Where'd your buddies go? I just watched them walk that way.
That's fine, but trust me. Went this way. You mind if I get it though? Can you take me over there?
No, I don't.
It's just my shoes, sir. I promise.
Did you see where they went?
Can you get my shoes, sir?
Yeah, I went in there.
Can you get my shoes, sir?
Inside.
Please, put this on.
You said it suits inside.
Inside the car? Oh.
You said they went inside here?
They're all looking out the front door.
What's your last name, boss?
Thompson.
Your first name?
Jeremiah.
Unit 429, we'll put in domestic violence on 3 feet on
You wanna spell it?
for roll call. Same location as conversation clear from earlier. Advice the mail has returned.
No, man, I'm going to ask you one more time if you can take your hands out of your pockets for me,
Now
okay?
getting a report that he's leaving.
What's your birthday?
12/01/04.
21.
You know your social?
I do not.
You don't?
Yes, sir.
Give me just a second, honey. Forward 22. Can you copy a tag? It's going to be Lincoln 9 Paul 878 on a silver Kia Soul.
Do you mind getting it for me?
Get what?
My shoe. Like,
Your
my
shoe?
shoe is in the car.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Give us a second, my man.
My foot is cold, so I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, man, it's 60-something degrees out here.
I know, like, my foot's cold. My foot is cold.
Okay.
Like, one layer of socks on. Do you mind, like, can you take me over to get it? Or can you get it for me?
No. Hold on, wait a second. There, stop walking. Stand right here.
Yes, sir. Can I get my mom at least? Like, live right here?
No. You wait a second. How old are you, my man?
I'm 19 years old.
19?
No reason to be in a stolen car, so I'm gonna keep it wireless. I don't even have the time to do that. And the only reason I know it's stolen because the little kid stole it. On my life.
Why would your shoe be in it then?
Because I literally just took my shoe off to go grab something from inside the car. Like, literally. I'm not gonna lie to you. What am I gonna lock up for? The change budget?
Why not locking me up here? Well, what are you doing? Why are you locking me up here, man? Why are you locking me up? 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 I'm gonna be in the room. Why are you locking me up? Why are you locking me up? Why are you locking me up, sir? Sir! Sir! No, they're locking me up for no reason. They're locking me up for no reason. You said you're getting locked up. Oh, that's forget y'all locking me up for what? You were just going to be detained. For what? But now you probably are. For what? For resisting. How am I resisting? Bro, y'all just said like me for what? We're trying to detain you. So you didn't ask me, sir. Sir, you did not ask me, sir. Sir, you did not ask me, sir. You hear me, sir? We have family pulling up. Someone get this car. I don't know if we're gonna try to
Mel?
help him or not.
Excuse me, Mel. I'm getting just detained for nothing.
Are you okay?
My man, you were in a stolen car.
I wasn't in it. I was not driving this car. Oh my life. You're not gonna do it. Jay! Jay!
God damn it.
Sir, can you please?
We need help with him first, but there is a car that just pulled up and he's talking to him.
Jay!
421 Adams, Starford, 2 Baker, 2 David. Again, they're in the rear of 421 Rose Lane.
But they're locking me up for nothing, Miss Nisha. Keep him in, please. Do not walk over here. Stay over there. Well, what am I doing?
Are you okay? I'm turning for Rose
What
Lane.
am I? They're recording. What am I doing? I didn't do nothing. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing, sir.
We just can't get him caught. He's still resisting.
Sir, no, I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing. Come on, I can't. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing.
My man, give us your hands.
I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing.
I've got to hold it.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Stop! Ah! Raise your hands! Raise your hands! Raise your hands! Raise your hands! Hands in the back! Hands in the back! Raise your hands in the back! Shots fired! Help him first! Hey, help him! Help what? Help what? I got his hands! Help him first!
What are you shot at? Stop! I got you.
Okay.
Hey, right here. I didn't think so. Yeah.
Wrap this with.
Okay.
Wrap him up.
Can you do it?
I need a pad. I need a pad.
I got you.
I need to go on. Oh my!
Why the fuck would you do that?
What the fuck? I ain't do nothing.
Well, okay, it's gonna take a little bit of time. What is he?
Come on, I can't.
Put your arms back, baby. Put your arms
I'm
back.
not doing nothing.
Don't resist the arrest. Put your arms back.
I'm not doing nothing.
Okay, just
I'm
put.
not doing nothing. Ah!